In this video, I'm going over products that are doing $1 million a year in sales and how you can tap into their market. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first product is an arts and craft DIY kit, and DIY kits are known to do extremely well, like the Woobles. So the Woobles is making $600,000 a month, which adds up, if you add that up, that's millions of dollars a year. And it's literally just, it includes yarn. It doesn't include the finished kit. It includes the yarn, the little hook, and a video, and it teaches you how to crochet. Now they're just making so much money a month, which is just crazy. And that's because people love arts and crafts, and they love DIY kits they can do with their family. If you've been growing up, maybe you had like a rock kit where you can polish rocks, or you have these DIY kits where you build something together, and it's exciting. It's a great type of product. It does well all year round, and during the holiday season, it's a crazy seller. So I just want to show you that something as simple as how to create a crochet kit, how to play guitar, how to create a wooden kit could make a killing. And what happened is this person who created this, she loves to crochet, she quit her job, made videos on how to crochet, and now making tons of money, right? The DIY kit market is a killer. Next product is a tandem shower head. Now, this is perfect for couples. It solves a problem for couples, right? Do people take showers? Yes. So this targets the masses. This is another product, targets the masses and solves a problem. Are most people married or have couple? Yes, a lot of people have a significant other. They have a partner. So when they're showering, they're fighting over the shower head. Now you can shower together and not have to fight over who gets the shower, right? And it uses special technology, right? And they're selling it for a premium price, making $200,000 a month, which is over $1 million a year, right? A significant amount of sales. And literally, if you can solve a problem in the bathroom, right? Because people always use the shower. If there's any other products or ideas or something that's maybe you could do a 3 shower head, hey, sky's the limit. But again, these are just ideas on how these types of products are targeting the masses, right? What can you do to make a product that targets the masses? And a masses is something that people do every day, like go to the bathroom, like use the shower, like brush their teeth. What are the things people do every day, and you can make that experience better? Go on Amazon, type in Freedom Mom, and what makes the world go round? And that's pregnancy. People get pregnant, they have babies, that way there's more humans and we don't go extinct, right? So again, another masses product that is, there's not that many products in this area. It's postpartum, right? Or before you're about to have a baby, while you're having a baby. These products, this is just a postpartum kit, just to help women. $600,000 a month. And again, they're always having babies, right? That's just how the world works. Postpartum pads, this brand itself used to be a very, very small brand. And now they're just making tons of money because they're trying to solve issues and make high quality products for women. And there are a lot of products that need improvements that they sell. So they have a lot of products. Perineal pad, breastfeeding therapy. Let's see any of the products that don't have the best reviews. Here we go. Kinesiology tape for pregnancy belly support. So again, you can look at some of these items and piggyback, right? If you are a mom or you know somebody that's a mom, I almost guarantee they're like, I wish I had this, or I wish we had this type of product, right? And then you could recreate that. And that's what Freedom Mom's doing. But again, they don't have all these they don't have a ton of, these are like the only competitor. There's not many competitors in this area. So you have a lot of opportunity to expand, because I'm going to be honest, in my professional opinion, in these postpartum, these pregnancy items, there's not many competitors. Next is going to be number 4, which is Sunny Angels, and this is Japanese product. So if you look in the Japanese market, they sell like weird items like figures and things like that, but they make tons of money and they have a huge following. Now, what does everybody have? A cell phone. They're selling a lot of these items that stick to your cell phone, and they're a cute baby. They're like a naked baby, which is a little weird in my opinion, but people love them. And again, if you add up, they have like series 1, series 2. If you add up how much they're making over $1 million, right? A year. So again, if we open this up, and they're all, you can see the sellers are from, they have the Japanese flag right here. So all the sellers are from Japan. This one's from the US, but most of them are from Japan. Okay, so if you could pretty much make something similar to this, maybe it's not a baby, maybe it's a duck or something different. Again, there's the potential is crazy. You can see, so they attach this, everybody has a cell phone, so you attach it to your cell phone, and it's just a little cute baby that sits there, and people go crazy over this stuff. People go nuts, right? Can I see it? You can attach it to your computer. Everybody's saying it's overpriced because they're selling this little figure that probably costs $1 for $40. So again, another area. If you're a creative type, this is your time to shine. Everybody has a cell phone. Cell phone accessories. Last but not least is going to be a product where everybody goes to the bathroom, right? And we've got Squatty Potty. Now this helps you go to the bathroom, right? And it's literally just a little stool. It's a little stool, but they're making $500,000 a month off this plastic one. 200,000. It's nuts. Okay, it's called a Squatty Potty. All right, but people love it, right? It says what it does right here, and it just shows you again, if you're targeting the masses, if you're providing a solution for the masses, you could potentially dominate the area, right? What can you do when everybody goes to the bathroom, right? And this focuses on pooping, but I haven't found a product yet that focuses on peeing. How can you make peeing a better experience? This one's pooping. If you could figure out peeing, there you go. You've got $1 million product idea. And I haven't looked into it, but I'm pretty sure there's no experiences that make peeing better, right? What about running out of toilet paper? I haven't seen many products, again, that have a special item that helps if you run out of toilet paper. One that automatically dispenses it and puts it in for you. And you can put all 5. You know, there's these items that the masses would love, right? What's a big problem? Oh, the toilet paper's out. I see it happening all the time. And then another one is hiking. People love to go hiking outdoors. Men, if you're going to the bathroom outdoors, you could just go pee anywhere, really. Women, it's a lot more difficult. If they just go pee anywhere, they could ruin their pants. They have to get completely naked sometimes, right? So what about a special device for women to make it easier to pee? So there's a lot of different things you can think about, and I know a lot of these things are weird, but what I'm trying to get at is a lot of these are for, a lot of these, not all of them. I know the Woobles is a DIY kit, but this is another area. But a lot of these target the masses. Almost everybody gets a shower every day. At least once in their life, there's more babies being produced. You have a cell phone accessories. And then everybody, every single day usually, goes to the bathroom. So again, think about these products. They're making millions. All you have to do is piggyback on their ideas, make it a little bit better, and then people are gonna, there's a demand, right? But that's it for today's video. Which one of these $1 million products surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We'll look at the top competitors, we'll do product research for you, we'll help our design team get involved, launch a product for you to be successful on Amazon. Not only that, we also do account management where we'll call Amazon, manage your customer service, advertising, your design, optimize your listings even more. and of course increase your sales. The benefit of this service is you don't have to spend time doing everything yourself. We'll be doing everything. We have a design department, an advertising department, customer service department, your own personal consultant that will make sure you can launch your product, manage your account, save time, money, and of course increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.